All right, it is time to get all of this Christmas stuff down. My husband started by taking the garland down in front of the TV because we know how much he protests that when it happens. But our tree, as you can see, is still a mess. Thank you, Pedro and Kitty. But I just want to I didn't put much up this year, so there's not much to take down. So that's the good news, but let's get it all down. I do realize I'm a little late to the game on getting all of the decorations down, but that's only because I usually keep them up until after the first week in January, or what they call Irish Christmas or Little Christmas. I usually keep everything up till then. This year that was on the 6th, so I started taking stuff down right after that. But in all fairness, or all honesty, I still have my decorations up outside, and they still turn on with the timer I showed you guys like early on in December when I first decorated, because we used the little timer plug for the outside lights, and we just haven't gone outside and unplugged it yet, but we will. We're getting there. It just looks so pretty, and it's so stinking cold right now, and we be getting snow like here and there, so I didn't want to put everything away when it was wet. But I think tomorrow we're supposed to get some really nice weather, so we'll be able to get everything down then. I am taking the tree apart here. It has the little pegs that you saw I put in. This time I'm just going through and taking everything and putting it into a little baggie, and I'll store that inside the tree. And then I also like to take all of my soft kind of items, stockings, blankets, pillows, and stuff like that, and I'll kind of put them in with any of my glass stuff like this to try and make sure nothing gets damaged.
You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God. You got me like you got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God. Epiphany rising, got it all wrong. You see bright as lightning. Already memories, now I just don't really care what you feel.
So I did have my bin down because we were planning on decorating the tree Christmas Eve and have all of our ornaments on it for Christmas Day. However, I just really wasn't willing to risk damaging anything, and I know the cats were in this tree the whole time it was up, and it would have been a big risk putting any of our ornaments up there, because I have a feeling that would have been just more enticing for the cats, and they would have just been going crazy inside of the tree. So we opted not to put any of the decorations on. We did try to use our Grinch that we usually put on top. We kind of just put him in the tree in one of the bare spots where the cats made a like gaping hole. But getting the tree completely taken down and put away into the box again, which was not as easy as it was last time. For some reason it just wasn't quite fitting in this box for me this year.
False advertising, you were not meant for me, still not surprising. Need no apologies, 'cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. Ain't it fun recognizing
Now I'm just going to gather up all of the blankets from the holidays, kind of just pile them up. I want to get them washed before I put them away. Although this little red one, I might keep that out for Valentine's Day. I don't really decorate for Valentine's Day too much. I will put little hearts on the bedroom doors where you saw I had the bows that I just took down. And then I have like a few little glass heart jars and stuff like that. But that's kind of the most I'll do for Valentine's Day. I don't really go all out and decorate. Like I said, I have limited room, so I kind of just decorate for Halloween and Christmas because it's kind of all the room that I have to store all of that stuff away. So I just keep it pretty simple. Now I'm just going to go through and vacuum everything up because I know there's a lot of like sparkles, and there's some tree, like not branches because it wasn't a real tree, but it's like it still has fallout from it. So I'm going to clean that up too.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so completed. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so completed. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it.
So everything in the living room is pretty much put away and straightened up. Now I'm just going to get these blankets into the wash. I did get them washed this day and dried. However, I had them sitting for a while in a pile. I need to get one of those bags that I can kind of put everything in and then suck the air out of, like the storage bags, just so I have a little more room to put stuff upstairs in the attic. But next I'm going to work on the kitchen. Now in the kitchen, I'm going to grab this little snowman cookie jar. Since he was over near the stove, I just want to wipe him down real quick before I put it away. And then I'm going to move on to, there's a cling. You really can't see it here, but there is a cling on the window behind where the plants are. So I'm going to take all of those plants down. I figured while I have them down, I might as well water everything too. And then that way I can get to the cling and clean off the sill and also the window there.
Make it easier for you and say goodbye. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. 'Cause I'm up all night.
I really wish I could find another spot for the fiddle fig tree. I know that's one that really isn't cat friendly, so I keep this up over near this window. They won't go over here. It seems to like this window as well because it does get a lot of sunlight here. And it's kind of larger now. It's way larger than when we first got it. So I really don't have any other place to put it but on a stool in front of this window. I wish I could find a better setup for this, but for right now this seems to be working. Now I'm just going to put the cling and everything. It had like little snowflakes that were around it too, and it's a tree from Nightmare Before Christmas, and it has like all the little Jack Skellington stuff on it. So I'm just going to put that back on the paper that it came on, so I can at least try to keep it from getting all bunched up and clinged and thrown away at some point.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too.
I have all of the plants just sitting on the counter draining for right now, so while that's happening, I'm going to go through and clean off the windowsill here. I think one of the things I want to do, one of the projects for like early spring, is get all of my plants in similar pots. Right now it's kind of just like a hodgepodge of pots that they came in. And I know my 2 orchids, they really need to be repotted because the roots are just growing all out of it. And I think it would look a little more uncluttered because there is a lot here with the greens, but this is the best window for all of the plants. They seem to do really well here. And I think it's because it's so much indirect sunlight here. And I want to kind of keep them up away from where the cats can get to anything. But I think if I put everything in the same kind of a pot, it'll look a little more cohesive.
Details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain.
And a heads up, in Walmart the other day, they have all of their summer stuff coming out already. I was really surprised to see the beach chairs. I did grab a pot for my money tree that I have in the front room because I'm going to repot that too. But if you're looking for your summer stuff, you might want to get to Walmart. And I know Sam's Club had all of their patio stuff out already too, which I was a little surprised. I think even before the new year they started putting their patio stuff out, so it's coming quick.
Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up.
Now I'm just going to use one of my blankets to wrap up the snowman cookie jar to put him upstairs. I've lost all of the lids to my storage containers that has all of my Christmas stuff in it. They're probably upstairs somewhere when like we pop it open and looking for something, but for right now the blanket will keep him nice and secure. Not like anything really happens up there. I mean, but you know how it is. It's an attic. If something gets moved around, at least I can make sure nothing's going to break. So the final thing to do is get the decor back where it should be, and then I can start concentrating on decluttering because there is so much stuff in my house, and I said in my last video that my house is starting to frustrate me a lot with all of the stuff that's in there. So I'm putting up the decor again. I'm putting the hand towels back on the towels that we don't touch. I did air quotes there. And just get everything back in order. For the most part, everything is now. So like I said, I can concentrate on starting to go through and declutter stuff because I was just looking in my closet the other day and I have a lot of junk that I just need to get rid of. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.